How to apply to Outlier AI jobs. In this video, I'm going to provide you additional information or details if you're trying to apply a job from Outlier AI. It's very simple. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to go into their official site, which is of course outlier.ai. You need to go automatically into this option here that says login and create an account. You can go ahead and create a manual account, or you can either try to continue with your Google account. Now, account creation of Outlier AI is very, very important. So you need to sign up properly, complete onboarding, which is going to cost you around 30 to 90 minutes of your time, and then pass screenings or assessments. Once you've done that, you can go back into their homepage and click this view opportunities. And then on the next page, you can go ahead and filter out on a specific opportunity or job that you would like to apply. You can change the location, the type of jobs, and that is it. That's how you apply jobs in Outlier AI.